Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
A public VPN routes your device traffic through an external server to mask your IP address. This hides your real IP from websites and local networks and can encrypt traffic on unsecured Wi-Fi. Choose a reputable provider with a no-logs policy and AES 256 encryption because strong ciphers and privacy commitments reduce risk. Free public VPNs may limit speed and log data for revenue, so assess bandwidth caps, concurrent connections, and jurisdiction. Compare privacy policies, server locations, and basic pricing before proceeding. Install the VPN app for your device and create an account if required, using a secure email and unique password. Review permissions and only grant what the app needs, then sign in and check for any app updates. Select a nearby server for speed or a specific country to bypass geo-blocks, balancing latency and desired content access. Enable the kill switch and choose Open VPN or WireGuard protocol for security. These protocols provide strong encryption and stable connections on most devices. Run a DNS and WebRTC leak test after connecting to confirm IP is masked and traffic routes through the VPN. Check for IP6 leaks and verify the displayed country matches the chosen server. Repeat tests after switching servers. Avoid banking or sensitive transactions on unknown public Wi-Fi, even when using a VPN if you cannot confirm network integrity. Keep the VPN app updated and monitor data usage to avoid unexpected limits, and log out or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.